Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. It's the long anticipated boot review. Not review, update. Got them both back. I'm going to be showing you these to you. And car. Yeah, I haven't found a new place to film yet. So anyway, yeah, I got them back. And I'm going to show them to you in a moment here. Very happy with them. And I'll talk about pricing, where I got them fixed. Because I'm going to, plug their business. And they didn't ask me to. In fact, I was going to give my business card and I forgot. Mostly because I was rushing to get in, get them out, get home, so I get ready for work, go to work. But I'm very passionate about boots. These are my Solo. I got these at Sierra Trading Post. And, I mean, look at the soles on those. If you remember the last video, I mean, look at those. Oh, man. So much better. And I've been wearing them all week. I've been wearing them off and on all week. And they've been a champ. Been very happy with them. In fact, I almost can't wait to get my work boots off, because I'm wearing them right now, and get these on my feet. And I'm not like a weirdo about foot. I don't have a foot fetish or anything like that. It's just I like to walk around comfortably, and boots are the key to that. So let's put the camera down. I'll show you the two, and then go from there. All right, so here they are. Now I do have two pair, and truth be told, these, although more expensive, I actually use more as a day-to-day shoe. And we got another car. Okay, excuse the interruption. I actually wear these as a more of a day-to-day just shoe. If I'm going to go to the store, I'll do my grocery shopping. I'm going to go to Costco, whatnot. These are the boots I'm going to strap on, and then I pretty much use these for the woods. Okay, man, another car. And so if you can see, the insides are good, real good. In fact, when I show you my work boot, you might be a little surprised. I don't know what the lighting is going to be, but there's no rips and tears, other than there's a little wear and tear. But the insides are good on both of them, and I've got hundreds of miles of hiking on these. I mean, you can see, these are the ones I wear in the woods a lot, and you can see the wear and tear, but the fabric for the most part is still in great shape. And but the more important thing, I mean, look at that seam. I know that they've been worked on, but I can't tell just because of how well they pieced them back together again. I mean, look at that. I mean, that is perfection right there, in my opinion. I'm a little passionate about my footwear, because it just, I can tell you from personal experience, when your feet hurt, it sucks. Walking around sucks. It's just, you don't want to be out there anymore. You want to just get home and kick your pained feet off. I picked up something. I'm not sure what that is. Well, that was nasty. I might have stepped on a slug or something. Gross. But anyway, that's why you take your feet. That's why you take your shoes off when you get home. Excuse me. So yeah. So there's that. And then these ones I haven't even worn yet, but you can see the perfectly put back together again. And then the same bottoms. I actually requested these same bottoms. I said, can you put the same bottoms on? And they said, yeah, we sure can. I said, excellent. So these will be, I need to get new laces. I think I had a pair of laces. I thought I had an extra set of laces. But I must have used them on these boots. These are just REI boot laces. I don't use paracord. I think paracord is not a good lace for your boots. I mean, if that works for you, great. I just like to get a dedicated lace. And I always get flat laces because they don't untie as easy. So the cost was, for these, was $110 for new soles. Worth every penny, in my opinion. And these are only $100. The same ones. I'm not sure why it was a little bit more. Maybe because it has this rubber that goes around the outside that keeps the boot protected. But now the best part is I get to put them on. So as I said, I always lace them all the way up. Clear to the top. Pant leg over. There you go. Now I'm happy. So much better. Almost like wearing slippers. Okay. These are my current work boot. These are Free Soldier. Don't know if that'll show, but these are the Free Soldier tactical work boot. And I got them because I have to wear black boots at work. But you can already see there's already some wear right here. And here where I step down, because I always step down heel on my heel. So, and I only bought these April of this year, and it's only July. So in 3 months, there's been wear. Now they say that they're waterproof. I haven't really had a test. I haven't really had any water problems. But look at the inside, though. See that? The whole inside heel is all ripped. The fabric is shredded. So, yeah, 3 months, and both of them are like that. Now all I do is wear them. You know, I just, you know what, do my wool socks tear up the insides? Pretty disappointing for 3 months of wear. So, you know, if you look at these, I've worn these way longer, and there's, other than a little wear and tear, there's no rips. No rips in the fabric. So, these are considerably cheaper. These are about $80, but that is just depressing. So, you know, it is what it is, but okay, so all the information will be down in the description box, like I said. His email, the web address. They do accept mail-ins, so you can send in your boots, get them fixed. I would contact them first and see what they say, because they probably aren't, you know, they probably have to be like a quality boot first. Because I read a Google review, and they were bitching because they wouldn't fix their Columbia boots. Well, if your boots are $59.99 and they're mostly fabric, they're probably not going to fix them, because you probably have to have actual leather boots. Although I did see a guy paying as I got there Tuesday. Today is Wednesday, so yesterday, and he was having dress shoes fixed. So I didn't even know that they did that. So just email them, ask them what they can do, tell them what boots you have, maybe include a photograph. I did take pictures with the camera, but it was fuzzy because camera gets a big middle finger. But yeah, so yeah, just let them know, and you know, if you want, you can tell them I sent you. I didn't. They don't know who I am, but whatever. Yeah, I'm super happy. I can't even tell you how happy my feet feel having these boots on now, because, you know, I guess I got a boot love, and I gotta get laces for these. If I have time, I'll swing by REI today and go buy some new laces. They're like $5 for laces. It's not like it's expensive. And I don't like using paracord. I like using an actual lace, like I said. So yeah. So enjoy. Happy trails. Don't let your feet hurt. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.